Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra's Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to be doing a 16 by 20. I'm going to try for the Dutch pour again. I've watered down my paints a little bit more than normal, and we're going to see if we can give this a go. Rinske does beautiful Dutch pours, and I'm always watching her videos to try and get mine just so, because hers are amazing. So practice makes perfect, right? So if you're new to my channel, please hit subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And everybody that keeps coming back, thank you. You know I love you. I know I read all the comments, love the thumbs up, even the thumbs down. At least I know somebody watched the video. They might not have liked it, but that's okay. I can't keep everybody happy, right? Okay, so I have got Arteza's Mauve Pale. This one right here. I've got Phthalo Blues Arteza. I've only added acrylic pearl mixing medium. I haven't used the glue and water mixture I usually do. I've done this one, so it's 50% paint. I put the same amount of pearl into the paint, and then I added my water, so it's about 50-50 to get my consistency that I want. So again, no glue and water. This is strictly paint, water, and acrylic pearlescent mixing medium. Okay, let's see how this one works out. My white has also got just water and a little bit of the pearl mixing medium. Okay, white is down. I've blown the bubbles out. Let's do this. I'm going to start with my purple first. And I think I want to just fill this area down here. And then do the blue over top, right beside it basically. Now let's see, I'm not going to use up all the paint because sometimes I want to add to it. So let's do a little bit of white. I'm just going to kind of go over the top like this, just to add that extra flow. I'm going to grab the blow dryer and blow it out and see what happens. I'm going to make some noise, bear with me. I forgot to mention Amazon. In the description below this video, all of the products that you see me using, 90% of the stuff is from Amazon. Like my butane torch, all the paints, cups, stir sticks, everything you can think of. So if you're thinking about shopping to buy yourself some paints to do a painting, please hit one of my links, do a little bit of shopping. I'll get a small commission on a gift card from Amazon to replenish some of my stock. So there we go, there's my little spiel. Let's blow this out. Okay, let's take a look at this and see how we're doing here. Beautiful colors. Okay, let me give it a quick little torch. See if we have any cells happening, because there is no silicone in here. It's just the pearl medium, the mixing medium, water, and paint. So I'm not sure what's going to happen with cells. Let's see. And then I'm going to get my little airbrush, best $60 I ever spent on Amazon, and I'm going to blow out my edges here. This is going to be a quick little painting because I'm just about done. I wanted to have some negative space as well. I'm really enjoying how this turned out. I gotta tell you, these Arteza paints, they're a little pricey, but man, are they gorgeous. They're really nice to mix with. Now I think I want to add a tiny bit of blue down here. So I'm just going to do a couple little dabs. And blow it out with my airbrush. There we go. Much happier with that. Let's give it another quick torch. I think I need to fill up my torch again. It's almost out of butane by the feel of it. It's okay. It's got enough oomph to get the painting done. And there we go. I'll just turn it around quickly for you. And when this dries with the pearlescent medium added in there, it's going to be shiny and it's going to be beautiful. There we go. I think this one is officially my best Dutch pour yet. The last one I did I thought was pretty good, but this one I would say turned out amazing. Alright everybody, thanks very much for joining me, and again, please hit subscribe. It's really important and I could use all the help I could get. Alright, come back and watch another video. Thanks everyone.